I'm here at Codorrus Furnace up in Mount Wolf, Pennsylvania. Recently been featured on the cover of a Hauntings of Pennsylvania ghost book, and is said to be the only standing furnace from the Civil War period. It was used to make munitions such as cannonballs, and it was in operation until 1884. It is said that many people passed ownership around during its operation, and that all people ran into financial troubles and eventually had to sell the furnace. It is said that one of the later owners of the Codorrus Furnace was a very cruel man, and that people that worked for him had their paychecks passed out to them by his wife from his kitchen window. It's also said that if you appeared intoxicated to him, he would throw you into an actual barred cell for the night. It's also said that a house up the street from here is believed to be the property of whomever owned the furnace at the time. And no one knows why, but there apparently appears to be a woman here on some nights, a ghost woman wearing a white dress. Although no one's sure if it's a mistress of one of the owners or if it's a wife of one of the owners. No one knows. Apparently EVPs have been picked up here before though. Contrary to the fact that it just rained, and the fact that it's getting dark, I'm going to try to climb up behind the furnace, where there's this pathway, and at the top of this hill, there's an old bombed out building. I do not know what that was. Some kind of an owl or something back here. This is the first wall you reach when you follow this pathway, though. You can see it was built of rocks, most of it laying in ruin now, and there's no roof. Although adventuring further that way, you will come to the other wall, and there's these trees growing in between the two walls that obviously took several hundred years to grow. See a bird up there somewhere. It seems like it's raining again. Due to the rain, I am now retreating. It has suddenly started raining quite heavily again. Before I stop though, there's a nice view of the back of the furnace.